If you clicked on this video, it's because you want to make $10,000 a month. And contrary to popular belief, you don't need to work yourself to the bone to get there. I would know because I've been able to make thousands of dollars per day online. So today, I'm gonna walk you through the 7 simple ways to make $10,000 a month. We're talking about stuff you can start right now without any experience, revolutionary ideas, or tens of thousands of dollars in startup capital. So first, let's talk about how you can use AI-powered content creation to make money. Now, I know you've heard of AI. Who hasn't? It's like the new shiny toy everybody's talking about. But let me tell you, it's not just for tech nerds anymore. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or even Synthesia to create content super easily. Imagine you want to start a blog or a YouTube channel. You could spend hours brainstorming ideas, writing scripts, and editing videos. Or you could use AI to help you write the blog posts, create video scripts, and even generate images. It's like having a team of helpers at your fingertips doing most of the heavy lifting. Once you have that content, you can make money in a few different ways. You can put affiliate links in your blog posts or video descriptions, so when people click and buy your stuff, you get a cut. You can also run ads on your videos or blog. Some people make over $100,000 a month with AdSense alone. Or here's another cool option. Sell products that you create with AI. For example, you could sell an ebook, digital art, or templates. You're always going to make a lot more money by selling your own products as opposed to solely relying on AdSense or affiliate marketing. And by the way, if you're ready to launch your high-ticket business and start earning 5K to 10K per month, book a call with me or my team. The links are in the description. If you want to learn how to make your first $1,000 per month online and get step-by-step guidance, join our school community today. It's only $49 a month, which comes down to only $1.6 a day. Next up, let's talk about high-ticket drop servicing. Now, you've probably heard of dropshipping, right? That's when you sell physical products online, but you don't have to keep any inventory. Well, drop servicing is like that, but instead of selling physical stuff, you're selling services. Things like video editing, copywriting, or even setting up automation systems for businesses. This is one of the money-making strategies I teach my students. Here's how it works. You find people who need these services, and then you mark up the price. For example, you could charge someone $500 for a professional video edit, but instead of doing the work yourself, you hire someone from Fiverr or Upwork. For example, they won't do it for $200 and you keep the difference. So just like that, you made $300 without doing any of the actual work. The key here is finding a premium service that people are actually willing to pay a lot for. And trust me, there are so many services out there that businesses need. Once you've got your service and freelancer set up, it's mostly about marketing and finding customers. The next way to make $10,000 a month online is with TikTok and Instagram monetization. This one is huge in 2025. If you've been thinking about building a personal brand or maybe starting a niche page like fitness, finance, or even fashion, you can make money in a lot of ways. First, you grow your audience. Post consistently, make engaging content, and build a community around your page. Once you've got a solid following, the money starts rolling in. You can score brand deals where companies pay you to talk about their products. You can promote affiliate links, earning a percentage when people buy stuff you recommend. And if you really want to step it up, you can sell digital products like workout plans, finance guides, or style guides. Now, let's talk about making money with low-content books on Amazon. Sounds weird, right? But stay with me. Low-content books are things like journal, planners, or even coloring books. They don't need a ton of effort to create, and you can sell them passively on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Here's how it works. You can use AI tools to help you design these books. Then, you upload them to Amazon's Kindle platform, and whenever someone buys one, you get a royalty. You don't have to deal with printing or shipping. You just create the book once, and it keeps selling without you having to lift a finger. This is by far one of the most passive ways to make money once you get it rolling. Now, if you want to learn how to make your first $1,000 per month online and get step-by-step guidance, join our school community today. And if you're ready to launch your high-ticket business and start earning 5K to 10K a month, book a call with me or my team. The links are in the description. Next up on our list is digital products and courses. If you have any knowledge in a specific area, you can turn that into money by creating an ebook, template, or even an online course. Let's say you're really good at organization. You could create a digital planner or a time management course and sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Kajabi. People are always looking for ways to improve themselves, and digital products can make you money without you having to work constantly. Once your products are created, you can market them on social media through email lists or even with ads. The more people who buy, the more money you make. And since these are digital products, you don't have to worry about any inventory or shipping. It's all online, so you can reach a global audience. Moving on, let's talk about faceless YouTube automation. This one is a game changer, especially if you're camera shy or you don't want to show your face online. Here's the deal. You create AI-generated videos in popular niches like finance, motivation, or travel. You don't even need to speak in the videos. You can use tools like Synthesia to create lifelike avatars that speak in the videos for you. You can even generate text-to-speech voices, so you don't have to record anything yourself. Once the videos are set up on YouTube, you make money through ads, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing. So it's just like running a regular YouTube channel, except you don't need to be on camera, and AI does most of the work. So this is perfect if you want to earn passive income with minimal effort on your part. Finally, let's talk about selling digital products on Etsy. Etsy isn't just for handmade stuff. People make a killing selling digital products like planners, templates, social media kits, and guides. And the best part is, once you make the product, you can sell it passively. You create the product once, and every time someone purchases it, the file gets automatically sent to them. You don't have to worry about shipping. You can create things like a social media template and pack it for small business owners, or a wedding planner guide. Whatever you're good at, people are looking for it. Just upload it to Etsy, set the price, and let it sell while you're asleep. Now, I know all of this sounds like a lot to take in, but here's the truth. Anyone can do this. It doesn't matter if you have a fancy degree or a ton of experience. The key is getting started. You've got to try something, even if it feels a little scary. Pick one or two of the following methods, dive in and start experimenting. The good news is, with the tools and opportunities available today, you don't need a ton of money or expertise to get started. You just need the willingness to learn and take action. So what are you waiting for? It's your time to shine, so go and get that bag.